made this with the Easy Press, and this is with our brand new Hot Fix fabrics. Okay, so this is cotton with a bonded iron-on material on the back, and what's so fantastic is that then in 60 seconds or less you have a flawless iron-on execution.
So if you do want that, definitely ask your representative about it. Okay, and that is final quantity on that. We are 90% sold out of the Easy Press. So let's dig in a little bit. Cricut has been around for a long time, and I mean, I remember when we first presented it about 9 years ago here on HSN. It has come a long way as the most advanced, the most preferred cutting machine. But this year in 2017, as Anna's been talking about, they re-engineered from the ground up so we could do more and do it more easily than ever before. So whatever you're looking to do, card making, home decor, scrapbooking, paper crafting, this just unleashes just your creativity. Gone wild.
So I need to show you what you just saw happen, which is, this is the groundbreaking moment, all right? So everyone, the machine is run by your computer, your iPad, or your phone, okay? And I'm running it from my iPad. What it's doing right now is it's actually taking a pattern to make a doll, okay? And you can make this doll in the click of a button. I didn't have to measure. I didn't have to sign up for anything, right? I just want to make this cute little doll. And I'm actually cutting her hair. But first I'm drawing the pattern with a washable pen that comes with the machine. Now that part, to me, I mean, I was gobsmacked when I saw that happen the first time. I was like, oh my God, okay, I don't have to what? I'm like, I have been in the fabric business since 2005. Cotton fabrics, beautiful quilting fabrics. And I haven't sewed since 4-H, right? In what, 7th, 8th grade? I don't know. But I don't have to be that person anymore. This is going to allow me to make something I never knew possible because it does all the thinking. It's already, the people that have made, now it's cutting, the rotary blade is actually cutting out the hair. This is so cute. So it's actually marking the pattern for you. Your pieces are going to come out. You're just feeding the fabrics on the mat. Okay, that's all that's happening. And then once, I'm gonna peel this away as soon as it's finished. But you hear all those beautiful little cuts? Now that's some precision cutting. There's nothing like this. There has never been anything like this, and it is really a big game changer.
It is a game changer, no doubt, and it only came out in August, but nobody has what we have. And in these final 6 minutes, I mean, Anna's gearing up for the official launch tonight at midnight. That's if there's any left at this rate. But the official launch will be at midnight tonight with the amazing Suzanne. Just to go over that value of what you're getting, I think is so, so key. $3.99 is the price, and people up and down the country are wanting this at $3.99 because it is such a huge just advancement in what the Cricut can do, but we are throwing in and adding in over $80 in extras. Nobody else is doing this. So if you wanted all these extras, you'd have to buy them piecemeal, you'd have to buy them, you know, as extra parts to the puzzle. So the bonded fabric point blade housing, $30, the 12 by 12 cutting mats, and of course Anna was talking about those, that's $15, the consumable sampler, another $15, the digital pattern set, another $10, the scoring stylus, another $9, the washable pen, $4. So your retail is $483, there or thereabouts. Our price is a smidgen compared to that, and we are one of the only places in America where we would allow you to break up the payments with no interest whatsoever, $79.99. That's, I think, everything that you're getting over there, so it gives you some idea. It's a huge, huge bundle. Anna, in about 90 seconds, can we go over the AutoShip one more time? Because a lot of people are confused.
Can we look at what just happened?
Do we have time?
Like, this is, no, yes, I'm just gonna peel it off. Look at this. I want you to see what the precision is all about. Look at that.
You weren't kidding.
I am not kidding. And when you look at being able to make and cut and make a pattern for something that you just pressed a button to do, that, I mean, that is unbelievable to me.
I mean, your face when I met you in the green room said it all. You were gobsmacked. I mean, this is like a big deal. Okay.
It's a big deal. Okay,
obviously, we're very busy. You don't have to do the AutoShip. You can do the single purchase, but everybody obviously adores the idea of being given inspiration. And I think that's why you teaming with Cricut is genius.
Well, so the reason that I did the AutoShip was because so many of us buy amazing things, crafts, right? And sometimes they sit in the box and you don't use them. This is the reason to get it out and work with it. And for the very first time, there is an educational curriculum, a formal one. just for the maker.
You're showing us, you're teaching us.
Yes.
So you're going to do so much with this. Even what you think you already are going to do, you're going to learn to do so much more. Now, everything we're about to show you is just $29 and change every month for a year, basically. That's what we're looking at. Okay, so we start in December.
And so we're going to explore all things to learn about paper and cutting paper. And we're going to be cutting board, mat board, okay? And then we're going to felt, and we're going to be doing all kinds of three-dimensional things with felt and the cutting files. So each AutoShip has a unique set of cutting files that are new to the AutoShip, meaning you get those as projects and you get the images. And then you're getting all the materials to make what you see. So vinyl, we're talking about being able to do multiple colors of vinyl. And then we have printed vinyl for the first time for Cricut. They're anagriffin patterns. And then in June, we have iron-on. So we learn how to use multiple colors of iron-on in the same project. We also have printed anagriffin patterns for the iron-on. And then in August, we move to the printables. And what is this? This is print then cut. Many people want that demystified for them. And for the first time, we do that. We teach you how to print on your home computer and cut on your Cricut Maker. And then we go to leather, faux leather projects, and they're all about travel. So there's a little purse, there's a luggage tag, and a cord, and a keychain that's a bow. It's adorable. Yeah, there you go.
You can make this.
So what you do is you make them along with me, right? There's video instruction, there's step-by-step instruction, and you get all the materials, and then we'll make the projects together. So in December, we end with a grand finale of anagriffin fabrics, and we're making three-dimensional flowers.
Okay, so it's a year of fun in store. $29 and change is the AutoShip price. So ask your representative if that's the one you'd like to go for. Just one last look, if we may, after this video at the Easy Press, because we won't get another chance to be able to show it. We are now virtually sold out of the Easy Press. So we'll get you the graphics for it. It is available here at HSN. If you've been struggling to find it out there, it is available with us for $129.95, down from $150. We're doing 5 flexible payments as well of $25.99. That's only while they last. That's 583-456. All right, the final 2 minutes, my darling. Let's keep going.
Okay, let's keep going. So when I just want to actually show what happens now when you're looking at, I loaded a light grip map with burlap.
Okay, burlap. You said it, we can do anything.
Burlap, okay? Isn't that fun? So I have this little heart because everything about the Cricut Maker is making something you love, something that you dream up, okay? So when you actually hit the make button, one of the things that's gonna happen is that this thing has gone from smart, like it was smart before, Design Space was really smart. Now it is just amazingly brilliant because it's gonna do all the thinking for you, okay? Right now it's just connecting to the machine. And what's gonna happen is I drew a heart, it's a free shape, okay? And so it's gonna tell me to load, it's gonna first, okay, this is where we wanna see on the iPad, is that right here, it tells you to set the material.
Right.
And I'm gonna actually press materials. And I'm gonna just spin through these. You can't, do you see this swipe?
Jeez Louise.
These are all the materials. This is the amazing point of differentiation between electronic cutting machines and the Maker. Right. This is it. So if you're looking at select materials, and I'm gonna type in burlap, it's gonna come right up. I can actually adjust the setting for the burlap, but it's gonna come with its own. It's gonna tell me to load the rotary blade, and it's gonna, watch this. This is really amazing. It's gonna check me. It's going to make sure that I have the rotary blade loaded in the machine. You know,
you can't get it wrong.
Let's see if it'll tell me I have the washable pin in there and shouldn't. But anyway, what's amazing is that now it's going to be so smart about what it's doing. It checked me over here. It knows I have the right blade, and all you do is press cut. Okay, the Cricut button.
And this is, folks, I mean, everything that Anna's been doing has been from her smart device. So now, I mean, it's been simplified down to a point where absolutely easy breezy. It is the most advanced personal cutting machine that exists today. Anna said about rivals, there is no rival. There is nothing that can compare to what this does. And I think for anybody that has the original Cricut, this is your moment to upgrade. I think a lot of folks have been waiting for that next generation, and basically this is it.
Yes, Absolutely. And you know what's amazing about the adaptive tool system is that there will be many, many more ways in which we can cut. And you didn't see that, did you? Look at that. So my beautiful perfect heart, cut from a piece of burlap. You know, that's even hard to cut with scissors.
Sure.
You know, talk about precision cutting, and to be able to do this over and over and over again, when you add the Maker to your quilting projects, you are just in heaven, cutting heaven.
It is one and done. We hope you enjoy it. I know you'll be smiling from ear to ear when it arrives, Anna. They are telling me, of course, the AutoShip is the most popular at this stage. The price of the machine is still the same, of course. Every month for the next 12 months or so, you get an amazing design with Anna. It's a tutorial, it's an education, it's fun, it's inspiring. So definitely consider that. And we will see you, look at this.
At midnight.
Look at this. This could be my new little pillow. I could take this with me everywhere.
This is Cricky the owl.
I love Cricky the owl. I love him though. I want him. My new little good luck pillow. People might look at me a bit funny, but I like this.
I think it's for your kids.
We love you.
Thank you.
What's that? Oh, it's
That's my microphone.
I was like, what's this hard thing on your back over here? Like, I think we need to see a doctor. It's the microphone pack. Sorry. Thank you, Anna. I was going to say. We'll see Anna tonight at midnight. Thank you, my love. We've been asking, bye, Cricky. There you go. We were asking, what was the question again? I forgot what the question was. Do you know what the question is, Anna? I don't know, I'm asking Anna. The question is, oh, there it is. Who do you know who starts celebrating Christmas way too early? We've had some wonderful answers. They're being waved at me. I have them right here. Here we go. Here they are. Mr. Mom says, my neighbors never take down their Christmas decorations. They just unplug them on the last day in January and plug them back in the day after Thanksgiving. And Diane17 Lynn says, in my area, the radio stations start celebrating Christmas way too early. They start playing holiday music on November 1st. For goodness sakes, we just finished with Halloween. $25 is coming to somebody. All right, we are